is frustrating when you're getting ready to game but Steam refuses you to log in. So in this video, here's how to fix the problem quickly. Now before trying a more complicated method to log into your Steam account, ensure first that you're using the right credentials. If possible, check your password manager to ensure that you're entering the correct password. If it's still not working, update the network driver by opening Device Manager. Go to Network Driver, right-click and select Update Driver. You should also check your internet connection since it might also be a cause of your problem. And lastly, delete the Steam cache by opening File Explorer, go to Users, select your username, go to App Data, select Local, choose Steam, select all files and permanently delete them. After doing that, restart your computer and try to log into Steam. And those are the following fixes if you're facing the can't log into Steam error on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.